Yo, what's up? The industry be me about it didn't do now. Now, and they buy the totally for rubber as usual. Warren him there, man Ghana yet to me the beer no is sanuma and some baby no tum oil than ofimoba. If you are on crown now, massa, it's a crown of Angasan, I style be as a now a crony yet to me, but a band and honor Yankupana Buena to me, a sorrow and some you honor say yaka. Yan can work on one of the Yarakan de beer. Monday year, you able to me that to you now, man, Nankasa then work or now, Massam Canina, no, Netinson and it's about in our pussy abadi. Nina any day. Your honor was what the train biaba, Ketiki, whatever my imo of Poland. Na you need to because now any trains now you use for Ghana no a very old fashioned or kuchu damana or they could do no we wonderful for be by and our brand and some Ghana flag be but say who da me Ghana flag train na for free year was in nature bay ya yerba can ho asemi no I don't always knew the me Ghana flag trains in our branding no on was a high speed train until that brought one didn't be pepe but also what try to more speed yeah and actually any transportation system now go to our boy and man yamai then been especially in terms of our business transactions na business transportation no academic training koroba na wa between wine and one man yamai then wakoye na train if you Poland war amassing war organize if you Poland yankupon adum what kan ya dada na finally obodu ports one engineers no Holland a friend and Poland and crowd when you want by one year then one bar or my with the one best set train way in BBM I ain't putting him there okay Ghana for six years I say wine because even if you ain't trouble for at least I say one the transportation system you to me then you develop a course on pedigree be now I got some Ghana hey no yeah I orient you common do now the man say me na o say train do wa ba wa hihye wi wo de sisi ano the train no worry be o trailers it was no what more there than what sisi ano na otu more than what ye adwuma nti o me da wo bo Poland engineers na wo be no san de ni hu inimdi engineers na wo fi Poland na wonyo be ya me ne o ka say e bia woni baby obada na woni edibandim na ni no the yendo or the aban no do house no hwani na copyim time also bo hu de ayen Ghana engineers na wan yen sa akọ ho a we je wo fe na keteke no mu oda man na da yejuma nti we na wo so wa hyehye bibia ewie wa hyehye train na ewie nti was no way then what test the train no hu do or good for your railway system no na wo good a wall test ma was before we test na kra no otum wo survey kakra what check railway system ni na da bia wonya bibia wo do botum why then or the or how bia ba one inch shade or pedo test the train what's what checking where on survey no sound wo bo na meso mo bo what's what checking where on survey na bibia ni wo botum why then or how or that bad me train no na kwani because in the train so do twa okwa no nte da car bi ohun da BBC na nyima obotum wa curve set railway ni nya ono ana obafada orokwa ha na takrade akra na takrade ono ana obafada odi du nti adze obama bi odi esana abanire bi ade bi abegina n'anyim ana ade bi esi ne kwan na mpinfo checking was bibia ni wotum weden osi wo ne kwan so there was no obstruction whatsoever na was okay so them no wodi na kwan da wodo osi na weden what test the train no nti wo sha ase da wo test the train no na railway kwan no do na out of nowhere real trailer ya what I will park in Yamagunetiri for some reason obi akọ park trailer or they see railway kwanu or they see kwanu like for some reason I mean who say nimpa no na olu twemo say or the can look at railway because actually baby a car na parking is on the road the one pe be or a road system and nimpa no ko na be na car say ya why they be all car that me particular lane no do and or railway no do and see for the whole I make you know mentasi like say obi nyim so obi no shada ko park rail no the trailer na see hole say one no like CCI can ya you want something and but you know we are in a political year, so some people are reading several meanings into it today. Some of the political friends and parties are using it to score cheap point, but that is also more of why the allegation or something that's only dubia. But today, what obi akọ park trailer si railway ni fin ma train no da akọ bom asisi a train no America say no wa atochema ogudo a woldi ho dwuma osina yesan so ye boka ofofo wore so nim Ghana wa banda media why is scam obi diniska obeshada wa we twa egu no akado budget no be $16 million no so akọ obi no bottom nti toli when you train now the bed then nka yemfa nye dwuma na yen den ye ne transportation system no so no yen easy ne kakra no obi wako park trailer AC railway kwan mu ma sisi ano train no ha ba no ha tochema osine wasan so boka ofoforo what ye den what is your train ma bibia toye Charlie, sometimes being in this country like but anyway, I can't croon because I had no but sometimes it be some P. But as I'm talking, the Ghana Police Service has released an official report today. Nimpa no ko park trailer no watermano. There watching nimpa no the official police for one custody one in the one indeed in some but the whole thing is one bonny panism. They be a kodwa na main sana there kwabana na okofa da me akwenhia bay nti ba wasende nipa no won so eso no ma ogudu a wototo na no na opede wo a kwan pot ye onam do ma o decided that particular day no oboko akọ the trailer no o dey siwa because from the evidence was in before then because for a survey they checked, they did their checks and stuff to see there be a railway in BBN you know. And between them time maybe 2 days na order survey na it means that after the day na wire survey na can oko park is one oko say si wo yan can them say nyim say bi o shedara na many mo adwen trebom but mo abani Ghana de wala nyim nsam bi o etikra na wa wuti na yo adwen ho kra ehuniti na ehunan ba yetim nti angen so ba ye Canada mana na ya hwe kwana or the right way or the right means for us to be able to train and the way around some of these issues, because this is serious. A friend is saying it's serious. Then it shows our mindset as a country, because some of these things we are supposed to do it easily. Like it's not supposed to have these kind of issues rising up there. But if we are also citizens and we do some things like this, then more or less, sometimes we don't even have the moral rights to maybe blame leaders and I want to be or manners because I mean what is this? It be very strange. I say mental say and more coding and train for now the bear senior man be a park literally so training the abobo ma sisi no train when your fault so na wasan say yeboka na ere den they training Ghana some because yet more than this, but we are praying for a day maybe some of these things will be a thing of the past. I don't know about your comments and your thoughts about this issue, but definitely we would like to have your comments and thoughts about this issue. Don't hesitate to let us know through our comments and give us a like and share this if you enjoyed watching it, and thanks for watching.